Welcome to METALEX Engineering Industries. Our logo represents our commitment to excellence in engineering and metal fabrication. We are dedicated to delivering high-quality solutions tailored to our clients' needs. Our product range includes metal fences, chain-link fences, metal corrugated panels, and handrails. Each product is designed with durability and functionality in mind, ensuring safety and security for various applications. We offer steel louvers, signage works, metal screens, and aluminum and stainless steel works. Our diverse product offerings cater to a wide range of industrial and commercial needs, providing both aesthetic and practical solutions. Based in Egypt, METALEX delivers turnkey projects to high-profile clients. Founded in 2017, we specialize in engineering fabrication and construction services, focusing on signage and metal works across various sectors. Our factory, located in Badr City, is equipped with state-of-the-art machinery including CNC fiber laser cutting, bending, and shearing machines. This enables us to deliver precision and quality in every project. Our projects include the Saudi German Hospital in Alexandria. We provided comprehensive signage solutions, enhancing the hospital's visibility and accessibility, ensuring clear communication for visitors and staff. At Sphinx International Airport, we delivered high-quality signage solutions. Our work ensures clear navigation and enhances the overall passenger experience, contributing to the airport's operational efficiency. For Al Alamein Airport, we provided extensive signage works. Our designs focus on clarity and functionality, ensuring passengers can easily navigate the airport, enhancing their travel experience. Our work at Rixos Hotel includes prominent signage installations. These projects highlight our ability to deliver visually striking and functional solutions that enhance brand visibility and guest experience. In Hyde Park, we implemented a range of signage solutions. Our work ensures clear direction and information for residents and visitors, contributing to the community's overall functionality and appeal. At IL Monte Galala, our signage projects enhance the development's aesthetic appeal. We focus on creating visually appealing and durable solutions that align with the project's luxury standards. Fuka Bay features our innovative signage solutions. Our work here demonstrates our commitment to quality and design, providing clear and attractive signage that complements the development's modern aesthetic. In the new Giza development, we provided comprehensive signage solutions. Our work ensures clear communication and navigation, enhancing the development's functionality and resident satisfaction. The Drive project showcases our ability to deliver large-scale signage solutions. Our installations are designed to be both eye-catching and functional, enhancing the project's visibility and appeal. At Bloomfields, our signage solutions contribute to the development's modern and dynamic environment. We focus on delivering high-quality, durable signage that enhances the overall aesthetic and functionality. For Mountain View School, we provided signage solutions that ensure clear communication and navigation. Our work supports the school's mission to provide a safe and welcoming environment for students and staff. Our unipole designs, such as those for Credit Agricole, demonstrate our expertise in large-scale outdoor advertising solutions. These structures are designed for maximum visibility and durability. T-pole installations are part of our versatile signage solutions. These structures are designed to withstand environmental conditions while providing clear and effective advertising space. Our 3D signage letters offer innovative and eye-catching solutions for businesses. These designs enhance brand visibility and create a memorable impression, suitable for various commercial environments. For inquiries, contact us at info@metalex-eg.com or Tamer, abadi@metalex-eg.com. We are committed to providing exceptional service and look forward to collaborating on your next project.